February kit. You have paint, the Make Art Matter subject. That's every month they have a different child or family that's affected, and they supply the postcard that you create some art on and send it off to. That's already postage paid. And these are the kits. This month was jellyfish, octopus, sunset, and a turtle. And I will throw in, that's not included in the kits, but I will throw in 2 brushes, a size 6 and a size, I think 1, yeah, size 1, that I have, that I will include for this particular gift or prize.